Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who added you on Yubo without paying. First, open the Yubo app on your phone and logged into your account. Now, it's very important to know this first. Yubo doesn't show you a full list of who added or you unless you pay for Yubo Power. But don't worry, this is a free way to figure it out. Tap on the friend icon at the bottom of the screen. Look for new profiles or recent ads. If someone added you and you added them back, they will appear at the top of your friend list. This is the easiest and free mode. Next, go to the swipe screen. This is where you see new people. If someone already added you, often shows their profile again while swiping. Look for the sign like they already liked your profile or the match feels instant after your swipe. This usually means they added you first. Now tap on the profile, then go to the settings. Now open notifications and make sure all alerts are turned on. When someone adds you, you receive a notification or banner alert. This helps you to catch new ads for free. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.